companies I've reviewed for Be Ready magazine was Firebox and their stove. It's a heavy built stove, but I keep track of the company and I like and use their stuff. In May they had a sale and there were several items on there, and one of them was a folding bucksaw made out of rosewood. I thought, why not? I've always wanted one, haven't had the time to make one. I ordered the small one, and this is the larger version, which when they got it in, I got an email from them promptly that stated that there was a mistake in the ordering or the delivery. I'm not sure exactly what happened, and they wondered if I would be willing to upgrade to the bigger saw because they had more of them come in. And I thought, sure, why not? Great company to work with. They didn't charge me shipping. They didn't charge the difference between the two saws. So I was kind of happy about that. Now I want to get the small one, but I think these are a handmade item, so I'm thinking it's a catch as catch can. But it's a nice piece. Replaceable blades. I think they're 21-inch blade if I recall correctly. And rosewood, I think. I don't know, but it's a very nice saw, very well made. And you put your cord across the top into the notches. Your crossbar fits in. I usually set them upright to hold them. Your blade's in there, then you twist up the string with the toggle, which shortens the string, applies pressure between the two top ends, which pulls it tight around your crossbar and puts tension on the blade. You can get this, that's a little loose yet, so I'm going to go around one more time and that'll tighten the crap out of it. Slip it around and through. That saw, it's just got a tiny little bit of wiggle. The blade sings. Now it's ready for use. I'll get a video out cutting with it later. As we're getting ready to rain, and we had an 1.5 inches of rain that's muddy. But this is the saw. Very nice saw. Fits in a bag that could be tied on the pack, carried along easily enough. This is the large version. The smaller version is a little bit shorter and smaller, more of a packer saw. I'll probably end up getting it when they offer it again. I do like their products. Very well made. Firebox's folding bucksaw.